Hello, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, more, agree. Next. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Lock the screen and simply say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 17 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.